Hello students, today we are going to learn verbs which is in our chapter 6 of grammar book. First, topics to cover: verbs, types of verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs. First, we should know what is the definition of a verb. Words that indicate an action or a state of being are called verbs. A verb may tell us what is done to a person or thing in a sentence. For example, a man is chased by a dog. A man is subject. Here is chased by a dog. What is done to the man? That is chased, and that's the verb. A verb may tell us what a person or thing does in a sentence. He writes a letter. What he is doing, he writes. So that the action, and here writes is the verb. A verb may tell us what a person possesses. She has a piano. Has indicates here possession and has is verb. A verb may tell us the state of being. He is a doctor. So, his being a doctor is state of being and is the verb. So, a verb is an action word. It tells about a person or thing in a sentence. It denotes the state of being. A sentence remains incomplete without a verb. There are many types of verbs. Let us first discuss and know about main verb or finite verb. What is a main verb? Verbs that have a definite tense are called finite verb or main verb. They have to agree with their subjects in person and number. For example, I write, but he writes. Why? I is first person, so the verb in present tense is first form write, but he is third person singular number, so the verb in present tense is writes. Now, this main verb can be transitive or intransitive. What is a transitive verb? A verb with object means when a verb requires an object to complete its meaning, it's called transitive verb. For example, he plays the guitar. Here plays is verb and what he plays? The guitar. So guitar is the object. So here plays verb is transitive verb. And what is an intransitive verb? A verb without object. When verb doesn't carry any object, it's called intransitive verb. For example, he plays. He subject, plays verb, and here plays doesn't carry any object. So here plays is intransitive verb. What is an object? We need to know an object also to know transitive and intransitive. In a sentence, an object is the receiver of the action. For example, he kicked the ball. Here, kicked is the verb and what he kicked? The ball. So, receiver of his action is ball. So, ball will be the object. Objects are of two types: direct object, indirect object. Now, what is a direct object? A direct object is what the action is being done to. For example, mother gave me a pen. Here, gave is the verb. What gave? A pen. So, answer is a pen. Here, a pen is direct object. Indirect object. What is an indirect object? To whom the action is being performed. Let us take the same example. Mother gave me a pen. Gave is the verb. To whom gave? Me. So the answer here is me. So me is here indirect object. Students, I have shared the whole chapter in the PDF. Read attentively till transitive and intransitive verbs, and I'm going to share worksheet for practice. Thank you.